another video about fennec. I had to look at my screen because it was flashing while I was talking. Another shout out to Screencast-matic. I guess I should show you just what the website looks like. Let's go like this. I'm going to go to my bookmarks and I will show you where is it? There it is. Record your screen online for free. Okay, I'll just move this box up here and then you can see what we're looking at. Screencast-o-matic.com/screen_recorder, and you'll just have to follow what it tells you and you'll be ready to go on the internet posting your own videos. Okay, back over to fennec, because this is really a video about fennec, and I'll move the screen over just a bit again so we can get all that stuff in there. The markets are up. Again, my little speech on this, markets are up 0.38% or 0.45%. Crude oil, well, that's significant. That's almost 2%. That's like $1. But some of the other stuff here, when you get into decimal points, it's neither positive nor negative. That means we really don't know what we're doing. We're at a pinnacle of trying to decide. Don't look at it as a positive or negative day when you see a decimal point, 0.5% or a 0.25% up and down. Back over to fennec again. I keep getting distracted. So we again have this. Somebody's trying to set the market, trying to change the price. They aren't willing just to trade at the current open price. They're putting their bids well below the bid or the open. Not well below, but I mean, to me, the issue is, why wouldn't you just finish the bid at 280? I could understand if this was hundreds of thousands of dollars, but this is $1,000. The opening says, hey, we'll offer you $2,800. Or no, would this be 28? This would be, yes, $2,800. And you say, well, I'm only willing to pay $2,730. So it's a $70 difference that you're trying to argue about. But you're really trying to shift everybody's money for $70. And I don't think we should be playing with these guys. If you don't want to, if you want to sell your stock at 273 and the current open is at 280, just take the $70 loss. It doesn't make sense. After hour trading at 295, why are you arguing with this 280 price? Why are you trying to bring it down? Because in aftermarket, it's going to go back up to 290 or whatever. I further question what this 93 is about. This one is a big one to me. Why is this 1 year estimate? I can show you other stocks I have, and nobody has an estimate this far out from the opening price. I mean, look at the 52-week range. They are nowhere near this price. Why is this 1 year target estimate? On top of that, other big news with fennec, because I went through the internet today and I really didn't find anything new. If I'm going to find out anything about their debts, I was looking at their debts, and they don't really seem to have debts so much as, or they don't seem to be taking out debt, but they are doing other things to raise capital, but they don't seem to be taking out a lot of debt. Debt doesn't seem to be their big thing. My camera has fallen down just slightly, eh? Now, the big thing that happened yesterday, let's go into this news about fennec. So one big thing has happened. They're going to announce, or they announced on February 9th, that was yesterday, that they're going to have a meeting, a conference, investors conference on February 13th at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in New York. It'll be a live webcast. So we can all watch this thing. Of course, they're saying forward-looking statements, except for the ones that were historical information. Yeah, I am quite satisfied with this statement here. It doesn't look like... See, sometimes if a company has some alarming news, they will try to put disclaimers out. They'll try to adjust pricing. I see none of that with what they're saying here. I don't think it'll be shocking news. But that is the latest, newest news. And I'm going to go listen to this on Monday. Hopefully I'll be keeping up with stuff on Monday. So it's our exciting news for Monday. I would say I still need to look at how they're raising money and why they're raising money. But I have no reasonable expectation, or I've seen nothing unreasonable that they've done. My reasonable expectation is that everything that they've raised is legitimate. I can't see anything that would suggest otherwise, and I'm quite happy with this company so far. So that's my video. I'm gonna stop it here. I don't need to really go on and on about fennec. Other than maybe if you guys could raise the price, I could make some money on this. But I'm teasing. We're just looking at how I look up companies and how I try to track through them. My limit with fennec is it's not. This is a. It's different when you're looking at a company that's not got a product on the market. They're just trying to get through the clinical stages, and then once they do, this is a patent company. It's not a production company, which means I have the advantage of buying into a company who is not going to have to manufacture their own goods. They're gonna have somebody else do it. It's just a patent, and somebody's going to pay them royalties. That's the way they're going to make their income. Any case, have fun with your investing. This is me signing out. Hey YouTube, have some fun out there and be careful with your investments. I'm not suggesting that you go out and spend your money based on my advice. What I'm doing is not advice, it's journaling what I do. Thank you for watching my video.